Today I'm making a Thai steak noodle salad. Now this is a copycat recipe from one of our favorite restaurants, and when we go there we can't resist. It's always the same thing that we get. But they used to call it the Evil Thai Jungle Steak Salad. So they've reduced that even on their menu to a noodle salad, a Pan-Asian noodle salad. So you can make this with chicken and with pulled pork. I'm using filet mignon. Rather expensive. I've already got it marinating, and this is going to sit in the refrigerator overnight. I followed the marinade recipe that I'm going to give you exactly. So this is going in the refrigerator. My husband's going to grill it first thing in the morning. This does not go on your salad hot. It goes on your salad at room temperature. All right, so now I'm going to also show you. I've already prepared my Chinese noodles. All this can be done the day before. And I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil on them so they don't stick together. You can buy them at any Asian market. Amazon, you know you can get anything on Amazon. So now the noodles and the marinating steak are going in the refrigerator till tomorrow. Next, I'm going to make my dressing for the salad. So I'm going to start out with a 1/4 cup of chili paste. You can buy this at any Asian market, or again, Amazon. They have everything. So in with a 1/4 cup of the chili paste. And this is not hot. It has just a tiny kick. I can't do a lot of heat. And now a 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. A 1/4 cup of, I'm using canola oil. 2 tablespoons, I'm using a fish sauce. Again, any Asian market or Amazon. 2 tablespoons. All right, now 1 tablespoon of honey. I don't have that measured out, but we'll be good at this. About a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of this sweetened chili sauce. This keeps forever. And it's what you'd use for spring rolls and egg rolls to dip them in. So a tablespoon of this. Now 2 tablespoons of sugar and minced garlic. So now I'm going to mix this very well. This is going to go in the refrigerator too, so it's chilled when we put it on our salad. This is so good. I'm telling you. This salad, you will crave this salad. When you see it all put together tomorrow, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I've also already prepared all my vegetables that are going into the salad, with the exception of the avocados. I won't cut those up till just before we put the salad together. I'm going to put it in this because it'll be easier for me to pour it without spilling any. So now, into this jar, a little more than a cup, about 1.25 cups. I'm going to cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, and of course we'll shake it up real well. And we'll shake it again before we use it. I've already cut up my mango in large chunks. This will be going into the salad as well. I put a little extra. Well, there's 2 mangoes cut up in here. I won't use quite all of it, but we really like the mango taste in this salad. So this is going in the refrigerator. So my husband's going to grill the steak. Once that's marinated about 6 hours, he's going to go ahead and grill the steak and slice it in very thin pieces to go in the salad. And your steak can be cold, it can be room temperature, but you do not want it hot. So I'll put this salad together tomorrow. You're going to see how good it is. So my steak is actually marinated overnight. My husband's going to cook it this morning. So you're going to just knock off as much of the marinade as you can. And you're going to pat this steak dry. And we're going to let it come to room temperature before he cooks it. I'm going to cover this up. Okay, so this steak's going to sit and come to room temperature for a couple of hours is all it'll take. And then my husband's going to grill it. Okay, always cut across the grain, which is what my husband has done. Your meat will be much more tender. So it's time to assemble this salad. So here are my Chinese egg noodles. They are Chinese egg noodles. I'm going to sprinkle it with some sesame oil. Just toss it a little. These were done yesterday. Now I'm going to add, this is my shredded cabbage. I did not have Savoy, so I'm using Napa. I'm using Napa cabbage. And then I'm putting spinach, some microgreens, a good cup, maybe cup and a half of microgreens, just because I have them. And now green onion, carrot, tomato. I'm putting some baby arugula. This adds a nice touch to it. Now, I'm going to toss this together. I'm going to put the salad. I'm wondering if a larger bowl would do better. All right, so I'm going to a larger bowl. And now I'm going to add the mango as well. I went with a little more than about 1.5 mangoes. The dressing I made yesterday, and every bit of it is going on this salad. Every little bit. Every bit is going on this salad. I'm going to toss this. Whoa. I'm making some music here, right? This salad will ring your bell. It is so good. Now, all right, now I'm going to add the half cup of cilantro, basil, fresh mint. These herbs make such a difference in this salad. They really do. And now nice chunks of avocado. I love it when I can get great avocados. And now, about 1/4 cup of peanuts, but I'm going to add more on top of each serving. And now this wonderful filet mignon. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful food you provide to us. Time to toss again. This will easily serve 4 people. Easily. And the way it's going to be presented, it's going to be stacked up on a plate like this. All right. Now this will easily serve 4 people. Some more peanuts on top. Guys, every fork is a different flavor and nothing overpowers you. It's wonderful. Thai steak noodle salad. Well, now that we can make this salad at home, my husband says we can try other items on the menu of one of our favorite restaurants that we go to. This salad is a complex balance of flavors and textures, typical of a good Thai salad. However, this salad brings another dimension to the bowl, aroma. The sweet fragrance of basil and mint penetrate the air, which excites all of the senses. I'm serious when I say every fork is an experience. This is a multi-course meal that you will not only remember but crave. Now this is a salad that requires planning. If you make this salad, you will need to check for your ingredients and order what you don't have. But you will be rewarded with one of the best salads you've ever experienced. To make it easy, I'll list ingredients with links in the description of this video and the recipe on my website. Thanks for watching my video and for joining Darlene's Table.